watching Street Food Asia on Netflix, and there actually is an entire episode for Yogyakarta, which is really interesting. You should check it out if you haven't seen it. But we learned about this food called gudeg, which is jackfruit, and we haven't tried it yet, and I think it's like specific to this area, so we are going to go and try that first. Do you want to try it?
She's singing karaoke.
Oh.
Apa? Nyanyi itu apa ya? Song.
Oh, to sing?
Oh, ya sing. Song.
It's good with the coconut and jackfruit. It's like it's fresh and fruity.
I had read that a lot of places this is really sweet, but this one is not, it's a little sweet from the coconut, but it's not like too sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Makasih.
Thank you ya.
Crossing the street here is a little bit terrifying. We walked over here to the Malioboro area, which is like the main area of the city, but we haven't been over here yet, even though we have been in Yogyakarta for quite a few days because we're staying closer to the university area. But there's a lot of people over here and a lot going on, so we're just gonna wander around and see what we get up to, I think. I think this is like the big market.
Okay.
Do you want to go inside?
Yeah, let's go inside.
It's like 1,000 degrees in here, and we don't have any space for clothes in our backpacks. So I think we're gonna go to the next spot.
Mount Merapi also. Wow, with the jeep.
Yes, yes.
And enjoy, yeah. You are nice couple.
Yeah, yeah, thank you. Are you from here?
Yeah, Yogyakarta.
Yes, thank you. Nice to meet you. Should we look for a little sweet?
Yeah, I know you want sweet. I feel like
Just a suggestion.
I feel like you suggesting that means that you already have one in mind.
I actually don't. I really don't, yeah.
You didn't do your sweet, you always do your sweet research.
No, I didn't do any sweet research for here.
Okay.
I'm sure we'll find something.
Okay. One thing they have just about, seems like on every corner here, are these little cart bikes. You can sit on the front, and then there's a motorcycle on the back. This one's got a sign on it. But there's a motorcycle on the back, and the guy sits on the motorcycle and then drives you around on the little cart.
This is nice.
Yeah.
Do you want like fruity or chocolatey?
I think chocolatey. That tiramisu looks good.
Tiramisu and coffee.
Television coffee. Okay.
Heck yeah, this looks good.
This is like the tallest cone I've ever seen. It's like as tall as my head.
That is huge gelato.
It's so big. Alright, I think this is the coffee on top.
Yeah, he did the coffee second, right? Does that cone go all the way down to that napkin?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That is massive, massive ice cream.
I think karaoke must be big here.
Yeah, maybe we should try it. I was thinking about jackfruit and rice. I was also thinking about isn't jackfruit like big?
I don't
I
know.
think it's like real big. It's like I think I get jackfruit confused with durian sometimes. Jackfruit's a lot bigger and it's not as stinky. Durian, the king durian's stinky.
It's not stinky, it's stanky.
Yeah, stinky. Stinky durian.